Good afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today we're making a bean dip. Now, I found this recipe in a really old newspaper article and it sounded kind of interesting, so I decided I should make it. Anyway, okay, and here's what we have. We have a can of black beans, dry mustard, this is wonderful Coleman's. We have creamy style horseradish. The recipe calls for that. I'm not sure if I'm going to put it in because we have someone here who doesn't like it, so we'll see. Worcestershire sauce, of course. Of course, it's got to be, real mayonnaise. And the recipe calls for sweet relish, so this should be kind of interesting. And I'm using red onions and garlic. Okay. Now, the first thing we're going to do the beans. And I don't know about you, but I don't like the stuff that's in the canned beans, the liquid. I don't like it. Anyway, I have found that a rice, this is for draining rice. It does a great job because the beans can't fall out, and I can rinse it underwater and they'll be wonderful. And okay, so here are our beans that are nicely drained and rinsed, and I'm going to put them into the bowl. Onion, garlic, and we need some dry mustard. Dry mustard. 2 drops of Worcestershire. Freshly ground black pepper. A little bit of salt. You don't need too much salt because mostly the canned beans are usually already salted unless you get unsalted. They make those. Okay. Now, next is I'm going to put the relish in. One, two, and then I'm going to put mayonnaise. 1, 2, and now I'm going to use an immersion blender. This is an immersion blender. See? It goes around, okay, and this is the bottom part of it. I highly recommend one of these. Yes, you could put this in a regular blender. An immersion blender is kind of fun because it's a little easier to clean, and yeah, here we go. Well, you know what? This is going to be great. This is going to be great for Halloween. Looks like mud. Right? Now, I don't know about you, but I am really interested in tasting this. I'm just going to grab a little bit. This is supposed to be really amazing. And you know what? It is amazing. It's very good. The relish makes it sweet. Not very sweet, just a little hint of sweetness. And the beans, of course, are earthy. The mayonnaise gives it richness. I'm going to let this sit in the refrigerator for about an hour and let all the flavors come together. And we will see you next time on The Good Plate. Remember, ever forward, ever flavorful. Yum, yum!